Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Today in this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kurnool location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager underwriting. And for this job role, coming to the qualifications and experience required, like chartered accountant or MBA finance with 2 to 3 years of work experience and has worked with a reputed bank or financial institution in unsecured high ticket size loans. These are some qualifications and experience required. And coming to the duties and responsibilities, like a credit appraisal for BL and doctor loans files for the assigned location, keeping delinquency under control, compliance of policy and the process, reporting of location metrics like login, approval, dispersal, rejection, deviation on monthly basis as per prescribed format, and market research and feedback for new product launch, and feedback on credit policy based on market conditions. These are some duties and responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for a relationship manager and it is from Kapil Consultancy Recruitment Services Private Limited. And coming to the job description, like set and track sales targets for your team, suggest and implement improvements in the sales administration process, coordinate department projects to meet deadlines, report on sales metrics and suggest improvements, prepare monthly, quarterly and annual sales forecasts, use customer feedback to generate ideas about new features or products, research and discover methods to increase customer engagement, ensure sales, finance and legal policies and procedures are met, build an open communication environment for your team, and liaise with marketing and product development departments to ensure brand consistency and increase sales. This is about the job description. Interested candidates, if you feel you are fit for this job role, we can apply by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for field sales executive. It is from Rentoke Initial, and if you see the job responsibilities mentioned here, like to identify, source and secure both long-term and short-term pest control and prevention business opportunities, to develop new business opportunities within current and new customer bases in accordance with the sales strategy, to look after client retention by ensuring customers' ongoing expectations is met, to manage day-to-day sales activities including proposal, service agreement and prospecting and market development, and to support the service team by providing customer feedback, to develop good client relationships, to provide reports as per the requirement, and to assist with debt collection. These are some responsibilities mentioned here for this job position. Interested candidates, if you feel if you are fit for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Agency Development Manager on roll, and it is from SBI Life Insurance Co Limited. And if you see the key responsibilities for this job role, to recruit team of insurance advisors as per the corporate strategy, to ensure and maintain levels of productivity as prescribed, to focus on and develop various business segments as per the sales strategy, and to train IAS with the help of a training team, to uphold the brand image and ensure compliance with all internal as well as external regulations. These are some responsibilities mentioned here for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for uh, responsible for overall branch operations and profitability, and it is from Muthoot FinCorp Limited. And if you see the job responsibilities, like you are responsible for canvassing and marketing all financial products of Muthoot Finance, building relationship with customers and follow up, and increase interest collections of the branch and control on NPAs. And these are the job responsibilities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for graphic designer, and it is from Skandanshi Info Projects. And here they mentioned responsibilities and qualifications. Like coming to the responsibilities, like you have to collaborate with the team to ensure consistency of designs across various media outlets, create compelling and effective logos, designs, print and digital media, maintain awareness of current industry and technology standards, social media, competitive landscape and market trends. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here. And coming to the qualifications required, like you should have bachelor's degree in graphic designing or a related field is preferred, and you should have 1 to 4 years of experience in graphic designing and proficient in Adobe Creative Suite, and you should have strong communication, conceptual thinking, typography skills and design skills, and a portfolio of work. These are some qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates, if you feel you are fit for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Let's look into the last one. Like there will be a position like sales officer, and it will be from upgrade recruit. For this job role, the educational qualifications will be any graduate. For that, graduation is mandatory, and undergraduates are not eligible for this position. Like freshers and 3 years experienced candidates can apply, like experience in any BFSI or any sales, expect telesales or showroom sales, and the age should be between 22 to 30 years. And for this job position, the candidate should have two-wheeler with valid license is mandatory. And if you see the key responsibilities for this job role, like identify sales opportunities for both the bank and third party products by acquiring new customers and building new relationships, and manage business relations with existing customers to increase the depth of existing. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here. And if you are interested for this job role, you can apply by the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.